Horses out, we have Madame Leonora, pass to begin, cool reception in between horses, Pocket Rocket, then followed by Reporter, and a Storm Play is the early trailer, going along for the first turn, we have Cool Reception, the leader by about 3 for Palenka, and on the outside second is Madame Leonora, Storm Play is racing in third, then followed now by Reporter and Pocket Rocket, we have Madame Leonora, moves up by about 3 for Palenka. Cool Reception drives back in second. Moving up now, Winter is Reporter. Down on the inside for Storm Play and Pocket Rocket. Madame Leonora this time by about 2.5 lengths. Cool Reception once again coming closer. Storm Play in third, Reporter and Pocket Rocket. And still Madame Leonora by about 3 lengths. Storm Play now moving up to take second. Cool Reception drives back in third. Reporter and Pocket Rocket as they come down at the last 150. We have Madame Leonora still in front by Palenka, and on the outside is Storm Play. Cool Reception in third, but it's still Madame Leonora followed by Storm Play in second, and nearing the finish line it's all number 5, Madame Leonora is Storm Play, Cool Reception, then comes Reporter, and number 2, Pocket Rocket.
5-1-4-3, unofficial na datingan natin sa ating katatapos na karera.